Murthal, which right now is Dinabandhu Choturam University of Science and Technology. Besides this, he also has erected and helped our 2 government colleges of engineering. And having said this, people also know him as an institution builder. Having proudly to share as far as, despite of all odds, having a long experience in our administrative setup, he also has significantly contributed even for our academics too. He also has even guided around a dozens of students for PhD, and it also has our several research papers in journals of repute, national and international. Besides that, Professor Ranjit Singh is a member of countless, even our institutions where Government of India has always backed on him. Maybe you can say Department of Science and Technology, it could be UGC, it could be All India Council of Technical Education, and it might be the present one, our Indian Society for Technical Education. Sir, we are really very happy to find you amidst all of us on this auspicious day in the history of our department. You welcome you. Next to him, we have again very renowned professor, Professor N.P. Singh. And Professor N.P. Singh is the one person who from the first day of the establishment of the department has never said no, even any kind of occasion, maybe small or big. Sir, we are also truly blessed with your presence. At the moment, Professor N.P. Singh is working as a Professor of Information Management on a pioneer institution like your IIM, that is your MDI, Management Development Institute. And Professor N.P. Singh is an authority in several areas. He also has served even national institutions, including National Institute of Finance Management. Also, he has served strongly for long at our Institute of Rural Development, Anand, in Gujarat. Besides this, Professor N.P. Singh has also even worked on several projects funded by World Bank, also having served even a big consultant, even Government of Sri Lanka, it could be Kazakhstan, it could be our agriculture and other funding agencies even in India. So Professor N.P. Singh is known for his contribution heavily across maybe our IT or management. Besides that, Professor N.P. Singh is also the recipient of what youngest Young Scientist Award by Agriculture Society of Statistics. And besides that, he also has been a scholar and has been recipient of several other awards. At the moment, Professor Singh is known for his work in business intelligence, data mining, our telecom management, optimization, and even wood reliability. Sir, we are also even welcome you all on the dais that to be here part of this conference. Next to Professor N.P. Singh, we have another wizard of IT. On my left, Professor R.B. Patel. Professor R.B. Patel is at the moment working as Dean, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and he has served long even onto different institutions prior to this. So we are lucky enough to have you, sir, even not only welcoming at Haryana, but even welcoming to our own campus too. Professor R.B. Patel has strongly contributed in the name of big patents in our mobile sensor networks, wireless communications, and he has also earned our several national and international awards in the area of mobile communications and even wireless networking. Further to this, Professor R.B. Patel has also heavily published with 3 publishers, Khanna Book Publishing Company, BBB, India Tech. Besides that, Professor Patel is also even guiding several researchers and is also known for his strong contribution in the name of our very good general contributions. Sir, we also welcome you to our on the auspicious occasion of our department, that is to our this national conference. Next to Professor Patel, we have our another senior colleague of Haryana, because we are working for the last even 21-22 years together, and Professor Suchita Upadhyay Bashing. Dr. Suchita Bashing is working for the last 22 years in the Department of Computer Science, Pushkar University. She also has widely traveled to different countries for even presenting several papers, having been invited by several institutions. Besides that, she has also guided several scholars of our different programs, including MCA, MTech and PhD. She has also published about more than 50 papers in your national and international journals as well as conference proceedings. So ma'am, we also welcome you on behalf of our organizing committee to this conference. Dear delegates and all our senior colleagues and all our worthy members on the dais, as far as the conference proceedings are concerned, before we move, because we have our strong dignitaries who will be speaking on the theme of the conference, also will be delivering even keynote address as well as inaugural address. But prior to that, I certainly would like to throw a thin light onto the theme of the conference. As you know, as on date, our mobile, it has become part and parcel of everyone's life. In the morning, if we leave even the mobile left at home, we find ourselves disturbed throughout the day. It is so strong reliance onto our mobile. But the question is, it's not the mere handing on to even looking at the mobile device, but rather it is a sense of responsibility for all the researchers working in the area, that how more conveniently we can come up with even more better designs of even your mobile devices, so that even a common layman, maybe even a laborer, maybe even a farmer, maybe even a rickshaw puller, who even simply by their own voice can also even switch it on and off. So I'm simply talking about is not only the device itself, that inside if we open the box, we will find it very complex. But for a layman, it should not be complex. Because it is our job of our engineers and our ambassador for tomorrow researchers working in this area, that how to simplify the technology and how to serve among masses. This is the real mission of our researchers working in the area. So this conference is totally backing on to what all the contributions from researchers in our different themes, sub-themes of the conference that we already have even earned. Sir, one more thing I would like to share that certainly so far you are unaware of, that we got the clearance of holding of this conference on 9th of March. And within a span of around 2 weeks, we have a huge record of receiving even all the research paper, and that too without any physical communication. And out of this, around 92 full papers as well as 28 abstracts, they have been published in the conference proceedings. And with proudly on behalf of our colleagues who work day and night, this and your all love and affection, and your sincerely working towards your submission of papers, this job would never have been possible. So credit goes to each one and all for this. Further to this, all the academic deliberations that we are expecting to have today, we have our key persons as well as our chairperson of the different technical sessions, our Professor R.B. Patel, Dr. Suchita Upadhyay Bashing, Professor N.P. Singh, and our one more colleague, Professor Dharmendra, who would also be certainly arriving very soon due to certain court meeting had been stuck up, and I apologize on that part. At the same time, I also apologize some of the authors or the contributors whose contribution somehow it has been missed, including our only, I think, rarest, including one of my own students, including our senior colleague, Mr. Sandeep Maan, and Ritu Verma. So these are the only three, people which have been left somehow, I don't know. I own the responsibility on behalf of my team of not having even getting that attention you understand that huge rush of work. So at last, is one and all who is part of the conference, I welcome on behalf of all my committees to the conference. Thank you.